Yo, what's up? Welcome back. It's your girl Chinky if this is your first time here. Today, real simple. I'm going to go from a zigzag middle part to a deep side part. I'm going to show you guys the products that I use as far as fixing my hair and doing my makeup. So make sure you like, subscribe, comment, leave me some comments, ideas, whatever below. I hope you guys learned something. Stay tuned and watch the process. If you didn't see the video I uploaded about a week or so ago, I'm sure you're probably gonna ask about my hair deets. My hair deets is deep wave hair from my website. Is 4 25-inch bundles and a 13x6 lace frontal. I made into a custom unit. Yes, I make custom wigs. If you have any inquiries about that, leave me a comment, send me a message, whatever the case may be. But this is the same wig, and if you haven't seen that video, you better go fucking see it. Okay, now that we're at the styling process, I'm just going to part my hair on the side part that I'm going for, and you'll just watch me, the products that I use as I go towards my desired look. I'm not really going to do a lot of speaking, but if there's any other questions that you have or confused about what I was doing, be sure to send me a message and I will answer that question for you. So right here, you're going to see me do a quicker version of, I guess, plucking apart. I'm just really gonna pull out the hair that I would pluck and kind of just pull it out. If the hair is wet, it will work a whole lot easier. Be sure to be gentle because you will snag a hole and you don't want that. It gets no clumsier than this shit. Hey, pick it up, keep moving, sis. Okay, so now that I've reached my desired look as far as baby hairs and all of that good stuff, I'm gonna get me a head wrap, tie it down. What I normally would do was sit up under that dryer. I do not have one at the moment, so I'm just gonna grab my hand dryer and make it work. Yeah. So this is really it. This is the final look. All I was going for was a deep side part with poofy. I wanted really poofy hair, so all I did was put some bio silk in my hand, rub it throughout the hair, and I just took my brush and I just brushed my hair out just so it can be poofed up. And I knew my deep wave would give me that effect, so I think it turned out good. Hope y'all learned something. I'm gonna see y'all next time.